Chilli at NikkiHaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for another segment in our Instant Pot series. Today we're going to be doing a Weight Watchers friendly white chicken chili. So there are 0 points in this chili, so that frees up a lot of points for the rest of your day. Let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. Okay, we're ready to put together our white chicken chili. So we're gonna start with 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, and you're just gonna drop them in as they are. Then we're going to add in a 16-ounce can of chickpeas, a 16-ounce can of white kidney beans, 16-ounce can of corn, we're going to add our spice, which is cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Our green salsa verde. And our chicken stock, 4 cups of chicken stock. I'm just gonna give that a bit of a mix. And then we're going to pop it into the Instant Pot. Okay, we're gonna pop this into the Instant Pot. And we're gonna put on the lid. We're gonna make sure that this is set to seal. And then we're gonna pressure cook this for 9 minutes with a complete natural release. And we'll meet you back here when that's done. Okay, the cook is done on our white chicken chili, and it took about 35 minutes for this to naturally release. So now we're just gonna flip the valve and we're gonna open the lid. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to actually take the chicken pieces out and we're gonna shred them, and then we're gonna put them back into the pot. So you're just gonna take your chicken, just gonna use a few forks, go with the grain, and just break it apart. So you're gonna do that with all your chicken breasts, and then you're gonna pop your chicken back into the chili. So I'll finish up the rest of the chicken breasts and meet you over at the counter. Here we have our completed white chicken chili. And as I said before, this is a 0-point dish, so you can save your points and have a nice baked apple when you're done. Hope you enjoyed today's segment. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so that you don't miss any future segments. As always, the recipe is in the description of the video. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them and we will get back to you. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time.